Hello everybody, it's Mr. Yoder again. I just wanted to show you how to do the Google form. I just want to say very, very clearly, this is not a test. You're not being graded on it. These are things that we have done in class, but now what we're doing is making it in a fun Quizzo format. And what Quizzo is a game that is played out in Philadelphia by adults, and I used to do it, and that's actually how my wife and I started to get to know each other, was going to Quizzo. And basically what it is it's like a trivia type game, but then there's a lot of fun type audio rounds, and there's a lot of other types of things that make it a really fun event. So it's not like taking a test. So it's a Quizzo. And what we're going to do is add achievements. And so again, I just want to reemphasize this is not a test, and this is not anything new. We touched on this at points throughout the year when we were working on concerts, but now's a good time to really focus on it. And so here's how you get achievements. You answer the questions. And what's going to happen is I'm going to post who got what. When you fill out this form, I get a notification. So let's talk about, this is the first one you're going to see. This is actually lesson 2. And again, we're reviewing what we did in lesson 1 in the Quizlet portion, where we learned the names of the notes on the line. And remember, it's elephant, cat, big, dirty feet. So the thing that you need to know about this is that these will actually come random. So every quiz will look different. And this first one is very simple. Basically, it's saying what's the name of the note on line 4. So you go up here, you look and see what note that is. Here it is, D, right? There we go. So, and Ben is here to join us on our Quizzo. And listening to, what you do is you go up and you listen to this video right here. And again, because it's random, this video, which probably should be at the top, could be, all the way down here. So that's the product of it being random. Unfortunately, in Google Forms, you cannot embed an image in this top panel, or an image, and you cannot embed a video. So anyway, I know what the answer is. That's D. What's line 1? I know it. That's E. Listening 1. That is A. Line 5, elephant's got big dirty feet. F. D, A. Then I'll put a silly question in there. I think I look like I have a great poker face because I'm trying to make the video very plain so that you can't tell, oh, he has a weird face on the A and he has a tired face on the D, Listening 3 is A, D. You got to put some wrong answers in here too, so let's put cat, and let's put dog. So you hit submit, and then once you hit submit, you can view your score, which is cool. If you think you did a bad job, you can do it again. So you view your score. I got 7 out of 9. That's pretty bad for someone who made it. So, but I did get 7 points. And what I'm saying to you is you got the Maestro achievement. So I'm going to write in the Google Classroom. Sorry. I'm going to write Maestro Jonas Yoder. And that's how that works. I hope that makes sense. And so there's only going to be, so as the creator of the form, I can see who responded. We already got 2 responses, and I can see which ones we got right and which ones we got wrong. And what's cool about this is then I can go ahead and say, okay, and 2 people already did this, and nobody got the listening right. So what I decided was I need to make another video, just a tutorial video, in your Google Classroom that tells you how to do it. So Google Forms is excellent. Let me just say it again. This is not a test. You are not graded. If you don't do the work, you will not be held back. This is just for the sake of music, and all this stuff is going to help you later on. Even if you decide not to play the violin, which is totally fine. I mean, I would cry for a little bit, but then I would get over it. Um, and I just want you guys to have fun with this. If you don't get the achievement that you want, do it again. I don't care. That's totally fine. So if you get back of the section and you think you can do better, do it again. You do it till you get the achievement that you want. It's no problem. Virtuoso is not different than maestro. Maestro is not different than back of the section. But it's up to you to decide which one that you want. Okay? So that's Quizzo. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I was saying in the Quizzo video, my son Ben may come in and say hi. Um, so if that's the case, just try to ignore it. And thanks a lot. I guess I'll talk to you guys in